So do you want to edit your videos more efficiently? Well, let's look at a Capcut AI tool that lets you edit your videos just like you're editing text. So to do this, obviously you put your video in Capcut and you put it within this timeline over here. And once you have it in there, you will go ahead and select it and select this button over here that says transcript. I've already done this, so you already see I have the transcript over here. But in your case, it might take a few minutes, so feel free to pause this and pick up once it's done. All right, and what you see here is the full transcript of the video I did earlier on how to record your screen, specifically in 1080p. And what you see here is the raw format of that video. So obviously I made mistakes. Most content creators do. They probably won't tell you that, but I'm letting the cat out the bag. We all make mistakes, and what you see here is this tool allows me to easily see what those mistakes are. So the first thing I like to do is come up to the top here and select where it says remove filler words. Go ahead and click this and you see a drop down. And by the way, this feature is a pro feature. So if you're using CapCut and you see this little purple option over here, it means you need a pro feature to use that. But you should still be able to use this transcript capability without the pro feature. But this pro feature allows you to do what I'm about to show you here, which allows you to take out pauses, hesitations, and repetition all in one click. So I'll go ahead and click that. And I always recommend people to not be afraid to click that. Why? Because it would actually show you the things it took out. So it doesn't just say, hey, I'm going to take this out, and you don't know what it is. So you can actually see some of these things, and you can actually bring this back if it's something you actually needed. So once you've done that, go ahead and bring this back down, and you can actually just take a look at all of this. And once you're done, press exit here. It should go ahead and make all those changes. So you see this original video was 11 minutes and 59 seconds. And just by using that AI feature and doing nothing, I was able to bring it out to 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Not saying that it will fix everything, but at least it's a start, and you can easily take out parts that you repeated yourself, or parts where you took a long pause and things of that sort. So this is a very useful feature, and I recommend it for anyone that does video editing or is a content creator. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment if you found this useful.